All right, we're gonna go for a fun little ride here in a 1932 all real steel, Henry Ford steel, Deuce Coupe. Just like the song, Little Deuce Coupe. Or like ZZ Top. Looks just like the ZZ Top car. This thing is sweet though, man. It's got a blown small block 350, a big old B&M blower on there. Call it the 420 Mega Blower. It's got a matched cam, turbo 400 trans, 355 Posi-Traction rear differential, and then it's a show car. It looks beautiful underneath, beautiful on top. It's incredible. Got a Lokar shifter, power windows, power locks. It's chopped a couple inches. Really good looking car. Lots of chrome underneath, lots of polished aluminum under the hood. It's a handful, but you keep your foot out of it and just drive it normal. Really easy to drive actually. Got a tilt wheel, got a Billet Specialties steering wheel on there, leather wrapped. That little light there means the fuel pump's on. It's got VDO gauges up here. Really nice little set of VDO gauges. Little Autometer tack. Nice. Stops good. It's got four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. Got a really custom tilt hood up front. I'll have to show you that. I never seen anything like it. Really nicely done. Cup holders. And of course, suicide doors. You know what that means? Don't open them up while you're driving. It's suicide. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and give you a walk around video. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with this incredibly built, high quality 1932 Ford Little Deuce Coupe. Bright Viper red, incredible paint job on it, beautiful pinstriping, all steel, real Ford, not a kit car. All the roof is filled, it's chopped. It's got the LED lights throughout. It's got really cool lights that are built into the front tube. I'll show you that in a minute. Signal lights. It's got the Halibrand Sprint wheels on there, the staggered bigs and littles with the knockoffs. Of course, BF Goodrich TA radials. Tire of choice for me. Look at those running boards. I mean, you don't want to step on them. Be real careful. It's got a custom hood. I'll show you that in a little while, but the way the hood comes up is amazing. I don't know who did it, but the grill shell on a 32 is usually one piece. Well, this was cut, and the grill was added to the hood, because these were usually split hoods, right down the center with a hinge. So just the custom work as you walk around this car, you can see it. It's amazing. That engine is a 350, board 30 over. It's got a B&M 420 Mega blower on it. It runs. A little bit too much power for what you need, but hey, you can show off when you're at the car show getting your trophy. It's got a turbo 400, built turbo 400 transmission. It's got a Ford 9-inch with 355 Posi-Traction rear differential. All the suspension's chrome underneath. Chrome drop axle, Speedway drop axle up front, four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. I'll show you the inside. Of course, suicide doors. I mean, look at the quality. Tan leather interior. Bench seat with the folding backs, recliners. Tilt steering column. It's got the VDO gauge package with the ball milled center. Autometer tack. It's got power windows, and this little window here in the back goes down also. That's power. And the headliner's custom. And it has a roll bar built in, so you can't see it. But it's got a roll bar. It's like a square tube roll bar for a little extra safety. God forbid you flip it, but hey, you don't want to crush yourself. But the quality of the inside of this car is beautiful. Kenwood Stereo with Bluetooth. Lokar shifter. There's your speakers under the dash there. Incredible car. Runs great, drives great, looks great. High quality build. Let me show you how this hood works. It's incredible. So there's a little latch inside. Once you pull it, pull up on the hood, the whole thing raises up, and then it tilts. I mean, I've never seen a hinge system like that, but that's really ingenious. Here's the little latches. But here's your motor. It's a small block, but sure looks big in there. 350, board 30 over. Lots of chrome goodies on here. It's got aluminum, polished aluminum heads, dual Edelbrock blower carbs, B&M 420 mega blower, proper cam that goes along with that, aluminum radiator with the temperature controlled electric fan. In my first video, you can probably hear the fan running. Rewarder headers, really good coated headers. A Vega steering gearbox, so it's manual steering, but it steers great, especially with these little wheels. But we'll go ahead and fire it up for you. It's got roller rockers, all the goodies inside. Electronic ignition. It was actually set up for air conditioning. The previous owner didn't want the air hooked up. I have the components, they come with the vehicle, but there's the compressor. Wouldn't be that hard. The whole insides are still there. Just gotta reinstall the condenser and the hoses. A nice little rumble coming all the way out the back. And you'll see those undercarriage pictures. It shows how nice of a build this is. And this car is a bargain. We're asking $100,000 for it. Not 80, not 120, but $100,000. And it's worth every cent. So if you want to come and see this one at California Cars, we're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person or take some more pictures for you, or even just talk about it. Give us a ring. Thanks for watching.